Hey, trying to start my car. It's a crap Accord 2015. Sold a lot of vehicles, but something's wrong with the starter. So what we're gonna do, I know it's late, I know it's dark, but these are the keys for the car. Alright, so how do you start this thing, you might ask? So I hit the unlock button, it's unlocked. Put my foot on the brake. This is illuminated. I'll take the key, put it close to that, and start it. But guess what? No start. So if you're thinking about buying a Honda, or if you know anyone that's thinking about buying a Honda, if it's a Honda Fit, Honda Civic, Honda CR-V, Honda Accord, they're all garbage, straight trash. So just avoid it, because you're going to run into this problem where one day you'll be stranded like me. You're putting your foot on the brake, you got the key, and you start it, and it doesn't start. So, yeah. So I might try to fix this thing or trade it in. All right, later.